the question I got asked is this: how can I immediately get an email when someone I follow posts on LinkedIn? Let me show you the couple things that you can do and that may help you be notified as early as possible. And I'll give you my opinion about email and immediacy. So let's go down here and find a friend of mine, a person versus a company. And here we are, Lisa Citrione. I'll click on her profile. Now you can see that right down here under more, I'm following her. So that's step number one. I need to be following her. That creates the best likelihood that her content may show up in my newsfeed. The second thing is I need to ring her bell. So right now I have not rung the bell. You can see the bell is not filled in with white. And so right now I'm not getting notified of her post. But if I ring that bell, I will get notified about all of Lida's posts. So I ring it, and you see down here, you'll be notified about all new posts from Lida. So great. So those are more likely to show up in my notifications that Lida posted something. Now let me show you the second action that you may do that could potentially get an email based on certain activities on LinkedIn. So if I go to me, go to settings and privacy. On the left here, go to notifications. Under notifications, there's a lot of different notifications. If I come down here and look at news, I'm looking for one that's most relevant, connecting with others, new follow, updates from people you follow. Let's look at updates from people you follow. This says these are notifications of activity by your connections and by those you've chosen to follow. In-app notifications. That does work. I get a notification when someone I follow and I've rung the bell. I get a notifications in my notifications section. Push notifications. These are sent to my mobile devices. I don't get a lot of those. I get a few. This is actually not on. I'll turn that on and see if it makes any difference. But I get a few, but I don't get a lot. Last one is email. Email is sent on your primary email. If I turn that off and turn it back on, I may reset it because I don't get any emails about any activities that my network does. I get very few emails on LinkedIn. And so that tells me this is not working. There are some settings under notifications where when you do email, you have the option for immediate, weekly, or as LinkedIn determines practical. This is not one of them. But I will tell you, I get very few emails even when I have this on. So I would not bet on an immediate or anything like an immediate email when someone I follow does some activity on LinkedIn. These are your options. Follow, ring the bell, adjust the notifications. But I'm telling you, I do not believe that notifications send out emails anywhere near as frequently or as quickly as you would like, let alone immediately. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator dude. I hope this is helpful for you.